Alright, on today's video I'm going to show you how to make the changes in a blues. We're going to be playing a C blues. The most important thing you got to know first are the chords, and what follows are the soloing and the notes that you choose for soloing. But first you got to know this C7 shape. So this is, if you don't know it, here we go. Which is 8, 10, 8, 9, 8, 8, right? And alright, when you're soloing, you're going to be outlining. We're going to strip down this chord. We're just going to take away everything except for the D and the G string. And those are our two most important notes that we got to strive for in our soloing. Okay, so what we're going to do is play. Right? Right? We're targeting these two notes, because those are what basically make the chords sound awesome and sound bluesy. Alright, so that's our C7, right? That's our C7 shape. And then if we play this F dominant 7, right? That's the next chord in a C7 blues. What we want to do is strip away everything. So first I'm going to show you the shape, which is 8, 7, and then 8, 8, 8. And then what you want to do is just strip away everything except for these two notes, which is 7, 8 on the D and G string, right? And then that is what you want to occupy, like those are the target notes for when you're playing an F7, right? In the chord progression of a blues. So what does that sound like? So right? Right? Sounds very bluesy. So let's try transitioning from C to F, right? The C dominant to F. So we could say something like this for the C. And then if we want to go to the F, we could say something like, right? And we're targeting these two notes. And then if we want to go back to the C, right? And we're targeting those notes. And now all we have is one more chord in the chord progression, which is this G7 chord progression. It's literally the same as the F dominant 7. It's 10, 9, 10, 10, 10. So what we want to do is target all those notes in this chord, right? And specifically these two notes, which is the most important notes in the chord. This is the 9th fret and the 10th fret, right? If we do that, it sounds like this, right? So let's put it in context. Let's play some riffs just going throughout the blues progression. So let's start off with a C. Right? This note is the same as this note, right? So we're targeting the notes in the chord. Let's go back to the C. Go to the F. Right? We're targeting those two notes. Same two notes just up here. And then if we play this, right? G7 down to the F7. And then we go back to the C7, and then we do like a little walk up, And then, you can blow and do all your favorite pentatonic licks that in C7. Alright, so that is essentially how you would solo over a blues, right? And notice the movement. C7, F7, C7, right? It's such little movement. It's the same 2 notes, right? F7, 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 C7, right? Let's just go through the whole 12-bar blues. And then G7, F7, C7, right? And that's, ladies and gentlemen, is how you solo over a blues and really make the changes and really nail the changes rather than just play pentatonic gibberish. You know, you really are outlining the changes, and that's what's so important to get in your fingers, in your ears, most importantly, and in your vocabulary. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon.